Musa, welcome to your diary session.
Now, good Oga. Oh,
How are you settling in?
it's fine one now. I don't pan. I don't setting. You know, I say how am I setting in? Kind is my question. I very want to question. I setting as I setting a setting since I come here. I am setting like a setter. Oh, it's a new Oga, Big Oga Naija. It's great. It's no problem.
What are your challenges in the Big Oga House?
Oga, the challenge I get Kuma is for Lantimanang. Kuma, since I don't do for this house, Oga, the food I they give me is not plenty. Kuma, the kind of food I want chop, I need to see it. I never see a Brabisco Jamian Kuka, I never see two ways of Masara, I never see a Lehu, I never see Kuli de Jida. Well, guys, plenty thing I supposed to witness for here. I never see it. Not only chicken meat and some other small food. And Kuma, I don't want Kuma like see my one is toner. That is a challenge. No other challenge.
Musa,
Oga.
how do you find your female housemates?
Well, Oga, these people wait inside this house are not female. All of them are male. Kuma, why first I would discuss with woman would discuss for woman like one. None of them I say female. Next time if I want to bring me, I make sure so I bring some girls where I look, but no be some girls where me as a man I find fast it. So it's not a female. They are the same thing with me. So you ask me how am I getting along with my husband? I will tell me I'm managing because some of them I need a great good morning.
Musa, how
Oga.
do you like the food in Big Oga House?
Oga, the food is plenty, but if the food is sweet, but I need a plenty. Kuma, the other boy, I don't know where I bring it for. That guy, if I share food, I don't know whether I party with him. Kuma, I put on small one for me. And they tell him, he never likes small one. Put on plenty me. I talk too much before I come here. So I will help me tell people make I put my abunchi. Make easier one plenty small.
Musa, why don't you participate in the morning exercise?
Okay, me myself I will exercise before I come here. I do telo, so I carry telo for my hair. I don't travel the whole city before I come here. So that's what enough is a training. I don't do training before I come here. So any other training for this house is just a first time. It's a first time. So I will use that time to concentrate on the morning. Don't brought me here.
Do you have anything else to say to Big Oga?
The other thing I want to tell Big Oga Naija is that Big Oga Naija too. I don't dey here for almost some test. I never see woman. Make I bring woman for me when I think commit something for inside the body. Now maybe I not force it. I am telling you, it's a big. Make I bring. I have 17 years for my winning KB, so I can import them for me. Make I take the liquid to myself. That's the only thing I am requesting. If I grant it, so no problem.
Musa, what about the female housemates that we have here?
That is what I tell you before. Those people I say that are female, to me they are not female. Why woman I go there like that? I know good one is not standing well. Ama the way I did for back, I strong like stone. Kuma me, I never like something is strong. I'm a soft person, so I like it soft. So I don't find anyone interested. Kuma none of them are my kind of person. So that is why I say if I can import girls for me from bringing KB, I have 17. Import them, I will find them interesting.
Musa, you have come to the end of your diary session.
Then because this question I call me to call me next time you never come.
Musa, who asked you to leave?
They say my daring section I don't aspire. Kuma sometimes I don't spoil now. Kuma I don't aspire when I don't come out. Why are they doing like to?
You may now leave the diary room.
Another one. If I call me come by, I need a come to.